Hello friends, today we will learn about roster form and set builder form and different examples, different exercise of sets. Roster form means the set of listing all the elements listing all the elements which follows a given property. Is called a roster form. Is called the roster form of a set. Example: suppose we have A is equal to X such that X is a natural number, X less than or equal to 10. Suppose if we have like this, the roster form of the above set is, here they gave one formula to form a set, and using that formula we are writing we are listing all the possible elements with that. 1, 2, natural number starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is called a roster form or list form. Second one, B is equal to set of vowels. Suppose if you write set of vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. This is called a set of vowels. Next, C is equal to X such that X belongs to N and X is equal to 2Y. X is equal to 2Y. Here Y also belongs to N. And Y is less than or equal to 10. Y is less than or equal to 10. So then what we have to represent here? X is equal to 2Y. X is equal to 2Y means multiple of 2 we should take. And Y value is where we should take from natural numbers, and Y value should be taken less than or equal to 10. So Y value should be taken from 1 to 10. So we should write 2 table. 2 1s are 2. Here it is 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, and so on up to 2 into 10. So it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on up to 20. This is called a roster form. I will repeat once again about the roster form. It's the most important thing. So here in the roster form, the set of listing of all the elements which follows a given property is called a roster form of a set. A roster form means they will give one property for the set, and then using that property we list out all the possible elements for that. Example, we can take two tables, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on up to 20. That we can list out here in the roster form. This is a roster form, this is a set builder form. So about this set builder form we will just learn it later on. Next one is set of ovals. Ovals means in English alphabet we have only 5 ovals: A, E, I, O, U. That is indicated by the set B. B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. And next A is equal to x such that x belongs to 10 and x is less than or equal to 10. So it's very easy one. Natural numbers we have taken up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on up to 10. As we have less than or equal to, we should take 10 also. If we have strictly less than, we should take only up to 9. We should not take out 10. Okay. Here we have two notes. Note number 1 is in roster form the order in which the elements are listed in is immaterial. In the roster form, however you list out, that is not it will not be taken into consideration. You need not write in ascending order. However you want, you can write it. However you want, you can write it. Next, one more second note is if any element is repeated 2 times, then we have to write only once. Example, I'll write second note also here upside. If any element is repeated, it will be represented only once in the set. If any element is repeated, it will be listed only once in the roster form. Roster form. Example, write the set of letters in mathematics. It will be represented by the set M. Set M is equal to, so here M has repeated 2 times, but we will write only once. A has repeated 2 times, once. T has repeated 2 times.